Crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs, and today I'm excited to be doing an unboxing video of the latest simonsaysstamp card kit, and this is for July 2025, and it is called Through the Window card kit. I do believe at the time of this filming it is sold out, but the good thing about the simonsaysstamp kits is that you can purchase the items individually in the store, and they are available when the kit is released. So if there's anything in here today that piques your interest, you can definitely go check that out. You know, if you like the stamp set, you can buy that separately, any of the pieces. I will list all of the items that are in here in the description box. I do have affiliate links, but you can go check those out if there's anything that you're interested in. So the best part about the card kit is that if you subscribe, then you are guaranteed to receive one, so then you don't have to worry about them being sold out. Another thing that's awesome is that you can add on to the kit before it is sent out, and you will keep the same shipping cost. And then another thing that was just started is that if you put add-ons in the kit and you are over $100 total, your shipping is waived. So that's a pretty awesome deal. Alright, let's get into it. So this one is called Through the Window card kit. This is a very interesting style or kind of kit. It's got a lot of really cool elements in here. So I did purchase the add-on. This is the die set for the images. So it has the sentiment and some of the, there's like a branch, some birds and things like that. So this will cut out the stamp set. Alright, so this is extra, and you do need to make sure if you want it to be sent with your kit that you do do an add-on for that. Alright, so as far as the kit goes, get this out of here. Alright, so this month you receive one of these awesome zipper pockets. These are great to keep your kit contents in, or your paper, or you know, your brushes, your sticky mat, any of that stuff. Let's open this up. Ooh, and I see the map! So we have the map. Oh, that is great. I love that. Okay, is that everything? Uh-oh. This rolled off the table. This is the new Pawsitively Perfect Craft Glue. So that's exciting. I've been wanting to try that, so I'm glad that this is in here. So look at the tip on that. So you can get a very fine glue drops or line or whatever you need it for. So that's great. I hope that this is awesome. Can't wait to try that. Alright, let's get our map. There's lots of goodies in here. Ooh, look at that. Look at the color of that. Anyway. So, let's see. First up, the Through the Window clear stamp set. Look at this. Oh my goodness. So you've got a lot of different kinds of scenes that you can put outside of your window. So we have mountains and a beach and forest and a city, and oh, it's like a cafe. This looks very European, like in Paris. Then we have the sentiments, and we have a stamp window. These are great fonts on the Missing You and Happy Birthday. We have a branch to go across, so you could put that in the background and then put the birds on there. And again, this is the add-on die set for this, but it does cut out the window and the sentiments and the bird and the branch. Alright, and there, oh, and the dragonfly. The little dragonfly. How cute. Alright, so we have that. Let's see what else. simonsaysstamp window trio dies. Ooh, look at that. So we have three different styles of window. So you could use the stamp set and put that behind, or you can just create your own thing out the window. But on all of these, the windows actually open. So there's cut lines in the middle and on the top and the bottom, but there's only score lines on the outsides. So you can do a 3D, open up the windows kind of a card. So that's awesome. And I like the, the modern and then the typical kind of window available for that. So that's awesome. Alright, we have a coupon. Alright, the coupon is LEAP24, and this is valid until August 25th, 2025. So you have a little bit of time, so be sure to use that code for that. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Alright. I gotta sort this a bit. Look at this paper. Holy cow. Alright, looking for, the stencil. This is the Landscapes stencil. I'll take it out so you can look at it. Put it on this beautiful paper. Alright, so there's a stencil. But this is really cool because you can actually put your paper through this and then use that. So for example, I just have a scrap, so you can put this in and do your stenciling. And there's all different layers. There's like hills, waves, just kind of a regular. So that's really cool. I like that you can put these through, and then you can just kind of move up and down on the stencil or whatever you need to do with that. Alright, so that is the Landscapes. Let's see, where else are we? Ooh. These are the new simonsaysstamp Stellar Embellishment Mix. So these are gorgeous iridescent stars. You could add them, sprinkle them over your project, glue them on, or you could use these in a shaker card. That would be really cute, and especially with the windows. Let's see. We have the glue. I cannot wait to try that. Alright, 12 double-sided sheets from the La La Land Crafts in the City 6x6 paper pad. So here are the papers. Look at how gorgeous these are. I love this. Some of the cherry blossoms. This paper is so unusual too. I really like it. All the city scenes, the different seasons. Looks like artwork. This would be fun paper to do like a postage mosaic with. Oh wow, look at this one. Ooh. With the rain. Oh, look at this one. Oh, this is so pretty. What a great set of papers. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's see. One Tim Holtz Ranger Scorched Timber Distressed Ink Cube. I love this color because it is such a dark brown black, so that if you don't want to go, when you're doing your stamping or edging or whatever, if you don't want to go all the way black, this is a great color to do that, so it's not as an intense color. So it's just, I really like this color, so I think you will enjoy that. But yeah, it's definitely a deep, dark, brownish, blackish color. Let's see, we have a half a sheet of acetate, and they put the paper on that, so that's nice, so we could spot it in the kit. Let's see, 1/4 sheet of adhesive foam strips. You can use that to make your shaker or pop up your sentiments. Let's see, what else? We got the mesh bag. Alright, so we're into the paper now. So this color is Simon's Peacock. This is gorgeous. Look at that with that. Awesome, awesome. And then we have, this is banana. That's very apropos. Cardstock. And then we have the ivory. And the ivory is great too when you want an off-white color, because it's still so, you know, light and neutral and beautiful. So it's a great color. It's not too yellowy. It's just, you know, a little bit off-white. So, alright, so there is our kit for this month. Again, this is Through the Window. And we have all these goodies in here. Beautiful stencil, make great backgrounds. We've got our window trio. Nothing else, I would get this and add it to your collection, because you could do so much with this. And here's the stamp set, the add-on die set. You get the ink, the strips, the glue, a lollipop, and a coupon. So there you go. So that is this month's kit. Again, I will list everything in the description box. Come join me over on Facebook, Pinterest, and my new blog at egidesigns.com. And if you aren't already a subscriber, if you could click that button, I would love to have you in my crafty community, and that would be awesome. Alright, till next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.
Here are a couple more videos I thought you might like. Thanks so much for watching.